stay tuned if you want to know how to do your brows, how to get nice natural looking brows. Go and stay tuned to this video.
You ride, you shake, you grind, work 9 to 5.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with Laughter. I'm going to show you the things that I use to do my brows. And sometimes I just have like random stuff that I'm using because I don't want to go to the store and buy more stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. But I did actually last week go to Target and get this, and it's just an e.l.f. palette. This thing was $4. I told the lady I want a nice brow palette. I don't want to spend a lot of money. So yeah, she showed me this, and I've been using this darker shade right here. And this is a MAC eye brush pencil thingy that I got. It was $20. And I lost it for like 6 months. I finally found it. That's why I look all crazy. But I'm gonna go and use this. And I also have the this is a Mary Kay brow definer pencil. I don't know where this came from. I've been using it lately, even though it's kind of light. And then like a little spoolie brush. So I'm just gonna spool up my eyebrows. Sorry for the background noise, y'all. You know how that go. I got 6 kids, so. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just fill in. And this just helps me know like where I want the fullness of my brow to be, and just helps fill in just a little bit before I put the gel. And this is just a brown pencil. And if you guys just invest in a couple of good, you know, makeup tools, they really come in handy. You don't have to spend a whole lot of money. I'm going to take the brush and the gel. Ooh, I'm just going to really coat that on both sides and even the tip. Get a nice, good amount. What I'm going to do is start there and go out. And I'm going to do the same thing again. Just make sure I have a good amount, and then I'm going to shape it where I want it to go. And then go over. And I'm going to go and just fill it in because there's still a good amount on there. And feel free to fill it in as much as you want to. Okay. I'm going to do that aside. My battery about to go dead, y'all. My battery is about to go dead. So let me up and get this done before it goes dead. Okay, there you go. Underlining it. Sorry, get about my kid there. I'm just loud just because they're kids and that's what they do. Here we go. I'm gonna look in the mirror real quick and see. My eyebrows are very thin, but okay. I'm gonna go ahead and again, you can clean these up with your concealer. And that's just pretty plain and simple how I do my brows. I don't like nothing too dark. I don't want it to look all fake and crazy. And then once you put your concealer on, it'll make it look really nice. And you can make this as dark or as light as you want it to. And it's just very simple. See? Get a little closer. Very simple, natural brow. I hope you guys like that. If you want to see more videos like that, give this a thumbs up. And tell me what else you guys would like to see from me. And yeah. There you guys go. I hope you enjoyed that video, and until next time, ladies, remember, you can never fail if you be yourself. You will never fail if you be yourself. Yourself never fail. Okay guys, till next time, love you. If
If you don't got dreams, we can't be friends. An eagle that soars can never be a hand. Gotta live on